On today's product review, we're going to be going over Giraffe Tool's 130 feet, yes, 130 feet hose reel. So stay tuned for this product review. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, please consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you could always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews like this on the channel. So I'd like to say thank you for Giraffe Tools for sponsoring today's video. So you ever get into this problem where whenever you're done watering or using your hose, you ended up just pretty much doing this, recoiling it up into its station. It takes a long time, and sometimes it gets pretty dirty and sometimes tangled up. Then when you're ready to reuse your hose, you ended up getting all this spaghetti mess, and it takes a little while for it to get uncoiled. Well, I got a solution for you. This is Giraffe Tool's 130 feet retractable hose reel. So this is pretty cool. It has a little mount right here where you can mount it anywhere in the sidings of your outside of your wall. It comes with these lag bolts, 4 of them, and if you don't have anywhere to mount it, it also comes with these little anchors. You can mount it anywhere. So you position it up just like this and make sure that it's located at least 4 feet close to a water faucet outside your home. Very easy to install. You're just going to take your lag bolts. In this case, I'm just going to install one of the lag bolts and I'm going to level it, mark it to where you want it. I'm going to be taking this out, put the second lag bolt in, and replace it onto there. You can either use a drill or you can use a ratchet to install the lag bolts, but make sure it is nice and secured, and it should be able to hold the weight of the hose reel just like this. Easy to install. Whenever you're done, you can actually detach it and place it inside your home, and it swivels 180 degrees. So very easy. So once again, here you go. It comes with this 4-foot extension hose where you can attach it to your water faucet anywhere outside your home, and it has this sprayer as well, attacher. It has a lot of options. It has cone, flat, direct. Play around with it whichever you'd like, and it has an on and off lever on the top. Okay, so this is what I was using before, my 50-foot hose. Obviously it just reaches up all the way down to my property right there. It doesn't quite reach the areas that I want to water. So with this 130 feet hose reel, we can go all the way. So I'm testing out how far I can go with this thing, and it pretty much took me all the way down to my driveway, across the street, and pretty much I was able to reach across to my neighbor's house or to their yard. This is how long this is. So it's pretty awesome because it gets you a lot more distance without having to worry about, running short on your hose. So look at how far I went. I've actually made it up to my neighbor's sidewalk, and possibly even more to their yard. There's my old hose compared to this 130 feet one, and it goes all the way there, and you can see how far. And it's very, very handy, especially when you're watering around your house. You don't have to worry about the having length issues. Okay, so play with the different options. It has many options where you can set, and pretty much it's pretty awesome that it comes with this as well. This is one of the coolest feature on this product. When you're done, just lift up the hose, tug it a little bit backwards, and it will retract just like this. Super easy to use, and it just retracts all the way, takes all that 130 feet back into the coil inside its casing system, and that's it. Okay, so hopefully you found this video helpful, friends. It does make a huge difference, and it makes you very, very versatile when you're working around your yard watering. So if you found this video helpful, friends, please hit that big thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next product review video.